Hello, happy Thursday. I wanted to do a little video on Google Slides for those of you who haven't used it before, because you're going to be presenting your animal research in slideshow format. Now, your slideshow is not going to be as long as your research was. I want you to pick out like your favorite part. So what you're going to do is you will go up, when you go into Chrome, you're going to go into the waffle and you're going to pick slides. Okay, if it's not there in the top, scroll down and you should be able to find it. If it doesn't show up at all, type Google Slides up here in your search bar, and that should be a good way to find it. Okay, it'll bring you to this page, and you want to choose blank because you're starting your own new slideshow. All right, this is completely blank. It'll bring up a few ideas here. My computer's been running really slowly today, so let's see. Okay. All right, so you've got some themes here. You can pick whatever you want. Okay, there's some different designs. You can also do your own and add your own in, but I know from personal experience, I like to use one of these because it already gives it like a little bit of something a little more interesting. Okay, so pick one of these. I'll pick this one. And then when you open it up, it gives you a place to start typing. Now, I think a lot of the kids have worked with Google Slides before. I haven't done a lesson on it in third grade, but I think a lot of them did it in second. And it's pretty similar to the other Google programs. It's pretty similar to Google Docs. The toolbar looks similar. So the first thing we want to do is give it a name. So I'm going to call mine Penguins Presentation. Okay. I'll name it that. And actually, let me put my last name because you would think by now I know what everyone's animal is. I know some of them, but not all. So here it says click to add title. So I click and I can type. And mine is about penguins. Okay. Click to add a subtitle by Mrs. Savage. Now, I want your child to be creative here, okay? They don't have to follow a strict format. I do need the title and their name on the first page. Up here, this plus sign gives them a new page, all right? So now, or a new slide to work on. So here, I want your introduction, because I think an introduction is a good way to let the reader know what's going on. Here, I want the kids to just put their introduction from their actual nonfiction writing. Their introduction was why they chose their animal and an interesting fact about it. So I think that introduction, they can even copy and paste it from here. They can highlight it and then right-click, copy from their actual nonfiction and then paste it here. Or we've practiced a lot in class highlighting Control-C, which copies, and then when you get it where you want it, Control-V to paste it. All right. So I'm going to put my introduction there. I'm going to start another page. I just want some interesting facts about their animal. Your kids have worked so hard researching all these different parts. I just want them to do a page with interesting facts about their animal. Okay, I want these presentations to be what they want them to be, not necessarily what I want them to be. They can do them. I want them to be at least 3 pages. So that cover, the introduction, and then interesting facts. They could give a fact about all the different pages. They could give a fact about their habitat, a fact about their diet, a fact about their physical and behavioral and all that stuff. There's some freedom here. Okay. They're going to have a few days to work on this. It can be as long as they want it to be. They could go through every section if they want, but I'm not going to assign that. I'm going to say at least 3 pages. Okay, start working on it today on Thursday, and then we're going to continue working on it next week. So don't feel like you have to do the whole thing in one day. Okay, share with me after when you've started so I can at least see what you're starting. Okay, guys? All right. Morning meeting tomorrow, and we can talk more about it. Okay, bye.